Can you break down how Amazon PPC campaign structure works in a simple, clear way? Yes, I can. Definitely. Okay. Breaking down how Amazon PPC campaign structure works. So when it comes down to Amazon PPC, you can have a campaign structure that is going to target one thing. And this is something that we're calling exact match. So whenever someone is typing the exact keyword that they're looking for, I have here this product on my desk. Whenever they would look for pink body mist, they would find the pink body mist. That is one campaign structure that is going to allow whoever is looking for a product to find this product. Discovery campaigns are the campaigns that are going to bring you broader terms. So let's say still the keyword is pink body mist, but whoever is going to type pink body mist, and if you're running a discovery campaign, which can be broad phrase match, broad modified match, in that case, what you're going to notice is that you're going to bring terms that are or are not highly relevant to your product. Here in this example, it can be pink body mist and then coconut cream, because that is the name of influence. Or what else can be is it can be from other people advertising for pink body mist. So for example, in this case, it can be also a longer tail keyword. It can be a different brand's name keyword. So discovery campaigns. What else can be is we can dominate specific placements. The moment that someone is going to look up this product, it's coming like this keyword, pink body mist, is coming up first on top of search whenever you would either type in the search bar on your PC or on your phone. The first thing that is going to come up, that is a placement, right? So that is also a campaign type where you want to make sure you always have that specific placement. What other categories are whenever someone is looking for your name. So here the brand name is Victoria's Secret / pink. If you're going to run ads for pink, you might come up for anything that is pink related. It can be a sweater, glasses, phone, whatever for that specific keyword. You'd also add the rest of the describers or keywords of your product. Here it's going to be body mist, body cream, body lotion, or something like that. Those can define just a bit better how you would structure a campaign. And now that you understand the strategy behind that, you can either add multiple keywords in it, you can either add the one keyword in it. This is really based on the strategy. If it's a ranking strategy, we ideally like to have only the one keyword so we can control as much possible where do we show up for the keyword, and we can prove that that keyword is something that would help us bring additional sales. You can add multiple keywords within your campaign, and with the discovery strategy, for example, you would have lower bid, and then you would just pull in data that might be super relevant for your product with cheaper sales.